gaya ng Pogo, I will assure under my oath of office as President of this Republic, as elected by you, yung Pogo na yan, insofar kami dito, malinis yan. Laro yan para lang sa kabila.
Effective today, all Pogos are banned. At ngayon po, naririnig po namin ang malakas na sigaw ng taong bayan laban sa mga Pogo. Disguising as legitimate entities, their operations have ventured into illicit areas furthest from gaming, such as financial scamming, money laundering, prostitution, human trafficking, kidnapping, brutal torture, even murder. The grave abuse and disrespect to our system of laws must stop. Kailangan nang itigil ang panggulo nito sa ating lipunan at paglalapastangan sa ating bansa. Effective today, all Pogos are banned. I hereby instruct PAGCOR to wind down and cease the operations of Pogos by the end of the year. The DOLE, in coordination with our economic managers, shall use the time between now and then to find new jobs for our countrymen who will be displaced.